Now, I love me some New England Clam Chowder, but there's a problem. I'm lactose intolerant. Dios mío, why?
With all that agony over, today we're making a non-dairy New England Clam Chowder. Alright, let's begin by prepping some of our ingredients: onions, celery, bacon, and potatoes. First, we're going to start by dropping our coconut oil into a heated pot. Now we're going to add the chopped bacon and let it brown. Next up is our diced onions. We're going to want to get them nice and golden. And now is our chicken stock or clam juice. And for our diced potatoes, in this example, I'm using a mixture of Yukon Gold and Idaho Russet potatoes. Now we're going to add some thyme and a bay leaf. We'll bring that to a simmer. And now the chopped celery. I have here a little bit of cayenne pepper, white pepper, and some kosher salt. Now we're going to add some chopped clam, including the juices. We're going to get a delicious creaminess for this soup by using coconut milk. We're going to continue to cook until the potatoes are cooked through and soft. Now I'm going to take a potato masher and press down on some of the potatoes. This will help create a thicker broth. Finally, we will remove the bay leaf from the soup. And before serving, we're going to chop up some flat leaf parsley to add to the soup. And now we have our non-dairy New England Clam Chowder.
It's chowder! Say it right!
Alright, let's give this a try. Delicious.